Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sonos Move 2 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's real easy to do. You might want to do this if the speaker gets stuck in pairing mode, or if it won't connect to Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if you're having any kind of like troubleshooting issues like that with the speaker not working. This will fix a lot of those issues. Or if you just want to start fresh and have it forget all the devices it was paired to so that you can use it like it came out of the box. It's quite easy to do. All we need to do is, first we're going to take the speaker off of its charging base. It needs to be off of its charging base to do this. And we're just going to press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to make sure that our speaker is turned off. Once it's turned off, we can hit the power button again to turn it on. But as soon as we hit the power button, we're going to switch to pressing and holding the Bluetooth button. And you're going to press and hold the Bluetooth button as the speaker is powering up. And you're just going to continue to hold that Bluetooth button until the indicator light on the speaker starts to flash orange and white, orange and white. Once that happens, you can let go and let it complete its reset process. When it's finished, the speaker will flash green. You'll know it's done, and then you can use your speaker like it was a new speaker.